Good evening, people. Back with me, Rizky Maulana in Breaking News. This time, we will be delivering the news of traffic jam which often a major problem for big cities in Indonesia, including the capital city, Jakarta. Uh, on a typical day, the volume of vehicles is increasing, especially during the long weekend. The commotion occurs in many parts of Jakarta and Kota Kasablanca has it worse. The commotion is also followed by heavy rain that flooded the area and surroundings starting from this afternoon at 4 p.m. That affects the commotion to get worse. Big rain also falls in the west part of Jakarta and already caused flood. It flooded to a height of 30 centimeters and disturbed the road usher. It can be dangerous, especially for motorcycle riders. The police officers are going down to help with the traffic. And that was the news for this evening. Follow the next update in breaking news hours ahead. I am Rizky Maulana. Good evening and see you.